Our frame rail repair going on today. I'm gonna have to, unfortunately, remove the tranny cross. The tranny cross member and exhaust to get to it, because it happened to, of course, happen right there. So a lot of stupid work in the way to make this all happen. But once we get that out of the way, we can continue and patch up like we did here. So we got to pull off the exhaust, get that out of the way first, and then I'm gonna jack up underneath the tranny, support it, remove the tranny cross member, then we can get over here to the rust. Let's get after it. Oh yeah. She is liberated. Oh, there we go. Now it's cleared. Okay, so we're just gonna have to go right here where this exhaust hanger is connected and undo that one, and it should give us enough downward play. Our room here to play, and we can go like this, and there we go. Haha. Now we just got to take off the tranny cross member here. There's 4 bolts holding it in, as well as this one here to the transmission itself. Sledgehammer. Okay. Keep the hardware together, this way I don't lose track of it and where it all went. I like to keep it right near like the jack stand, this way when I'm rolling around under here I don't run into it and it doesn't really get lost. Alright, cross member is out. There we go. That there, and it's ugly, but we're gonna have to get that fixed. Oh yeah. Goodbye. I have a template here for this spot that we'll be patching in. Made my first patch underneath, and we'll get this here patched up. And we're gonna fit it in here and tack it up. To start with, that's pretty damn close. I'm happy with that. Just gonna have to refine it, and then we can get it welded up. We'll finish up here on the frame rail. So I'm gonna switch out the Contour SCT drum. Go right here. So here it is. And then we're just gonna get it all mixed up and then hand brush it on. This way I don't have to clean the gun. Clean off the metal with pre-painting prep. Get everything nice and cleaned up. On the rust encapsulator here. Protecting these areas that are going to be covered up by the transmission cross member. Looks really nice. Let that dry and then we'll get our cross member back on. Lacquer thinner in the top of an old materials can. Pour a little in there. Boom. Swish this around. Wipe. And then we're gonna have to just dump this out and do it one more time, and it should be pretty clean. Again, you got to think about it. You know, these brushes cost a few bucks. Want to reuse them a couple times, but also you don't want to waste so much cleaning them that you're wasting more money cleaning them than saving a brush. But you know, why not reuse them if you can? Getting all up in the top, clean it off. Pretty much clean for the most part, and now you can reuse this thing a couple times. So always find ways to recycle stuff, reuse it in new ways in the garage, you know? Don't waste stuff, you don't have to. There we go. It's So now we can reuse this again. A little dirty, just got some grease and gunk on it, so I'm gonna get a wire brush on a drill and get it all wire reeled off, clean it off, degrease it, and paint it so it looks good and better protected. I'm gonna get my drill here set up. We're gonna clean this thing off. And old rags and stuff, or old socks to serve as rags, as well as other stuff. Like, again, reuse stuff. Why not? I'm gonna get rid of this freaking sock. May as well soak up some of this grease here. May as well clean things off that you take off and put it back on. Go that little extra mile. Rag here, and this will look really nice when we get it painted. Flat black, spray this thing up. Yeah, I know, I'm painting on the car, but guess what? The car's got to get painted and body work and all that stuff, so not worried about it. Looks nice. We'll let this dry and then put it on tomorrow. Oh yeah. And it'll look nice.